Hi friends, welcome. It's Miss Drake here. We are taking a look at the worksheet I assigned to you today on Class Dojo. I hope you've already done your work. With this, if you see an answer that's different than what you got, just put a line through and write the correct one. I still want to see your thinking. So, today we started out talking about Dalton, Juan, Gilbert, and Lydia, and trying to figure out who had the most marbles. I put my numbers into a place value chart, and I want you to do the same because it makes the comparison easy and it makes it really easy to explain which number is greater using my place value language. Because when I do this, I can see that only two of them have a number that goes up to the thousands place, Dalton and Juan. Then when I look to my hundreds, I can already see that Dalton has the greatest number of marbles. And see how much easier that is than trying to figure it out and explain it without already having it all right there. Then the next question asked us to compare two numbers, 189,909 to 198,909. And this is how many stuffed animals a company makes in 1 year. Now it says which statements correctly compare, so that means that there's more than one correct answer. It's really important to read that question carefully. Now I put my number once again into a place value chart, and once again it makes it really easy to take a look and see, both have 1 in the 100,000s, but 198,909 has a 9 in the 10,000s, whereas 189,909 only has an 8 in the 10,000s. So I know that I need to have my comparison symbol open to 198,909 and close to 189,909. Now remember, it can be done, you can do that in either order. So in this case, C says 189,909 is less than 198,909. And E also says 198,909 is greater than 189,909. So C and E are our correct answers. Now number 6, we are trying to make a comparison statement true. We are trying to show that 96,341 is greater than any number we can come up with using the digits 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. Now, it's very easy to get started with this because I know the number I come up with has to be bigger than 96,341. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is look for the greatest digit for my 10,000s place that I can find, and that's a 9. Then I look for my second greatest digit, which gives me a 6. So now I have 96,000 and then 3 blanks. I have 96,000 as well with the comparison statement. It needs to have in the hundreds place a digit greater than 3, or in the tens place, a digit greater than 4. Well, my next greatest digit after 9 and 6 is 5. I could do 96,523 or 532, and both of them would be larger, would be much greater than 96,341. But I could cut it closer, because there's 3 right answers here. I could do 96,523 or 96,532, but 96,352 is still greater. It would have the same digits in the 10,000s, thousands, and hundreds place, but the digits in the tens and ones place would be greater. So make sure to keep up with that place value and recognize that you're creating a number using these digits that has to be greater than 96,341. Now, the next question was about Selena and her organizing her music into 4 different albums online. Album A, Album B, Album C, and Album D. Now, in the problem, they wrote Album A in word form, and they wrote that it has 1,011 songs. Album B was an expanded form where they had 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 songs. Album C was in standard form with 1,101 songs, and Album D has 1,100 songs. We don't usually say that, but 1,100s, if I put 11 here, I would have to push 1 over up to the thousands. 1,100s is the same as 1,100, because 10 hundreds is the same as 1,000, 1100s, 1,100. And I have it in this place value chart once again, not only because that's how the table was done, but because it's easier to see. And I can already tell you, all of them have one in the thousands, only 3 have one in the hundreds, so it's between albums B, C, and D. And then when I get to my tens, I can already tell you that album B has the greatest number of songs. Now, the second to last problem is about 2 elementary schools comparing how many cans they've collected. And again, I have put them into a place value chart because it makes it very easy to describe those differences. So, North Elementary collected 14,128 cans, and South collected 14,210. Same digit in the 10,000s, same digit in the thousands, but South has a digit 1 greater in the hundreds. South has 2 in the hundreds place, whereas North only has 1. So I know that South has a greater number of cans, or that 14,210 is greater than 14,128. I could also have written this the opposite way. I could have said that 14,128 is less than 14,210. Now, the last question asked you to come up with 2 6-digit numbers of your own and compare them and explain why you got the comparison you did, to explain why one is greater than the other and why you're correct. So, I did not do a place value chart for this. However, if you did, bonus points. The numbers I chose were 532,198 and 432,198. See, those are 6-digit numbers. 6 digits takes us to the 100,000s place. And I know that 532,198 is greater than 432,198 because 532,198 has a 5. Has 500,000s, and 432,198 has 400,000s. And that's how I know. Now remember that when you are showing your work, if you got a different answer than me, that is fine. Correct the work, but make sure I can see your original thinking. And make sure to take a picture and email your work into me. I'm really looking forward to seeing your wonderful thinking. See you tomorrow.